Ebru Art, huh?
Art, yes.
Painting on water.
Yes, painting on water.
Fantastic.
Have you ever seen before?
No, first time I'm experiencing this here. Have you been doing long?
Yes, yes. We have a teacher in Konya, in Istanbul. Yes, and we teach this technique in Turkey.
Okay. You learned it here?
Yes. Technique? 15 years ago. 15 years ago, and I was falling in love when I first saw it in one exhibition. Because it's something very amazing.
So at the base is the water or some chemical?
This is water, and this is powder from one plant. This plant is growing in Turkey and also in Iran.
Yeah, it's tulip.
Yes, it's tulip. Very classic. How to do tulips. Interesting is if we don't like something, we can take it, you see, from water.
This art originated in Turkey.
Yes, originally from Turkey. This is traditional Turkish art. And you can also do by yourself. You can try to do if you want, if you wish.
It's a real tulip.
Tulips.
That would bring me to Konya. Tolerance.
Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
From Lithuania. From Lithuania.
From Estonia.
No, Lithuania.
Lithuania.
Lithuania, Estonia, Lithuania, neighbors. I'm impressed that you've never seen it.
No.
Very cool. Something new in your life. And after all, we will place and put. And this is a special paper. It's very quality of this paper.
Wow. Beautiful.
And now you can try it by yourself.
please put here and do like this.